Beware. The worst used cars you should never buy. Buying a used car can be a great way to save money, but not every second-hand vehicle is a good deal. Some cars come with hidden problems that will drain your wallet, frustrate you endlessly, and make you regret your purchase. From unreliable engines to expensive repairs, some used cars are so problematic that mechanics and car experts warn against buying them at any cost. If you don't want to end up with a lemon that constantly breaks down, wastes your money on endless repairs, or puts your safety at risk, you need to know which used cars to avoid. In this video, I'll expose some of the worst used cars that you should never buy, no matter how cheap or tempting they seem. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. It really helps me grow and bring you more awesome content. Why some used cars are an absolute disaster. No matter the price, not all used cars are created equal. Some models have proven themselves to be reliable and durable even after years on the road, while others develop serious mechanical issues that make them a nightmare for their owners. The main reason some cars end up on the never buy list is poor engineering. When a car manufacturer rushes a model to market without properly testing it, or when they cut corners on quality to reduce costs, the result is a vehicle that starts falling apart much sooner than it should. Another major issue is the cost of repairs. Some cars require extremely expensive parts or specialized mechanics, making even minor repairs a financial burden. Other models have design flaws that make simple repairs difficult, like engines that require removing half the car just to change a spark plug. Then there are cars with notorious reliability issues, vehicles that break down so often that owners feel like they live at the repair shop. Safety is another huge concern. Some vehicles have poorly designed brakes, airbags that don't deploy properly, or weak structural integrity, making them a serious risk in an accident. No matter how cheap a used car is, it's never worth risking your safety or spending thousands on constant repairs. The worst used cars with engine problems that will drain your wallet. One of the biggest nightmares for any car owner is an engine that constantly breaks down. Engine repairs can be some of the most expensive fixes, sometimes costing more than the car itself. Unfortunately, some used cars are notorious for having engine issues that make them money pits. Certain models from manufacturers like BMW, Audi, and Mini Cooper have a reputation for engine failures that happen much sooner than expected. For example, BMW's N63 engine, found in models like the 5 Series and X5, is infamous for excessive oil consumption, timing chain failures, and overheating problems. Fixing these issues can cost thousands of dollars, and they tend to happen repeatedly. Another bad offender is the Chrysler 2.7 LV6 engine, commonly found in models like the Dodge Intrepid and Chrysler Sebring. This engine is well known for oil sludge buildup, which leads to complete engine failure. Many owners found their engines seizing up before hitting 100,000 miles, leading to costly replacements that sometimes cost more than the car was worth. Then there's the Nissan Altima and Maxima from certain years, which come with the problematic CVT, continuously variable transmission. While technically not an engine issue, the CVT's poor reliability often leads to overheating, jerky acceleration, and premature failure. Replacing a CVT transmission can cost thousands, making these models a risky purchase. If you're looking at used cars, avoiding models with known engine problems is crucial unless you want to spend a fortune on repairs. Luxury cars that seem like a bargain but will bankrupt you with repairs. Many people dream of owning a luxury car, and buying a used one seems like an affordable way to make that dream come true. But the reality is that luxury cars are often terrible choices as second-hand vehicles. Even if the upfront price is low, the maintenance and repair costs can be astronomical. Take the BMW 7 Series, for example. This high-end luxury sedan is packed with advanced technology and complicated electronics. While it offers a smooth and comfortable ride when new, these cars quickly become a nightmare as they age. The air suspension, electronic components, and engine cooling systems are known for frequent failures, and repairs can cost thousands of dollars. Mechanics often say that an out-of-warranty BMW 7 Series is one of the worst financial mistakes a car buyer can make. Another infamous model is the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Just like the BMW 7 Series, it's filled with complex electronics and high-end features that tend to fail over time. A small issue, like a malfunctioning air suspension system, can cost thousands to fix. And let's not forget the cost of routine maintenance. An oil change for a Mercedes S-Class can cost several times more than a regular car. Luxury SUVs are no better. The Range Rover is one of the worst offenders when it comes to reliability. These SUVs are notorious for electrical issues, suspension failures, and engine problems. Even well-maintained Range Rovers tend to have problems after a few years, making them an extremely risky purchase in the used car market. Buying a used luxury car might seem like a great deal, but in most cases, you'll end up spending more on repairs than you saved on the initial purchase. Compact and economy. Cars with terrible reliability and costly problems. Some people assume that smaller economy cars are always a safe bet in the used car market, while many compact cars are known for their reliability and fuel efficiency. Some models are absolute disasters. The Ford Focus from certain years is a prime example. Models from the early 2010s came with the infamous power shift automatic transmission, which had major issues with hesitation, rough shifting, and early failure. Ford faced lawsuits over this transmission, but many used models are still on the market today. Another economy car with a bad reputation is the Chevrolet Cruze. The first-generation models had serious engine and cooling system problems. Overheating, head gasket failures, and coolant leaks were common, leading to expensive repairs. Then there's the Dodge Dart. While it looked like a promising small car when it first came out, it quickly became known for transmission failures, electrical problems, and poor overall build quality. Many owners found themselves dealing with constant repairs, making it one of the worst choices for a used car. Even in the economy car segment, some models are just too risky to buy used. The worst used SUVs that will give you endless headaches. SUVs are extremely popular, but some models have major reliability issues that make them terrible choices in the used car market. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, from certain years, has a reputation for transmission failures, electrical issues, and poor quality interior components. Many owners report problems with the infotainment system, air suspension failures, and random stalling. The V6 and V8 engine options also suffer from issues like excessive oil consumption and timing chain failures. Another bad choice is the Chevrolet Equinox, particularly the models equipped with the 2.4L engine. These SUVs are known for excessive oil consumption, engine failures, and transmission issues. Many owners found themselves needing a complete engine replacement before hitting 100,000 miles. The Nissan Rogue is another SUV that's better avoided in the used market. It comes with the same unreliable CVT transmission found in other Nissan models, leading to overheating, premature wear, and expensive replacements. If you're in the market for a used SUV, choosing a model with a proven track record of reliability is crucial. Otherwise, you might end up with a vehicle that spends more time in the shop than on the road. Avoiding the worst used cars and making a smart purchase. Buying a used car can save you money, but only if you choose the right model. The cars on this list have a history of serious reliability problems, expensive repairs, and frustrating issues that make them some of the worst choices in the second-hand market. No matter how tempting the price might be, avoiding these models will save you money, time, and stress in the long run. Always research a vehicle's reliability before making a purchase. And if a deal seems too good to be true, it probably is. How to spot a bad used car before buying. Even if a car isn't on this list, that doesn't mean it's a good buy. Always check for warning signs before purchasing a used vehicle. Look for excessive rust, leaks under the car, and uneven tire wear. A test drive can also reveal hidden issues. Pay attention to strange noises, rough shifting, or sluggish acceleration. Don't forget to get a vehicle history report to check for accidents or major repairs. Most importantly, have a trusted mechanic inspect the car before you commit. Spending a little time up front can save you from huge headaches later. Don't let a bad car ruin your experience. Buying a used car can be one of the smartest financial decisions you make, but only if you choose wisely. The cars we discussed today might look tempting with their lower price tags, but trust me, they're nothing but trouble. From costly engine repairs to never-ending transmission issues, these vehicles will drain your wallet and test your patience. No one wants to spend more time at the repair shop than on the road, right? If you're serious about getting a reliable used car, always do your research before making a purchase. Check owner reviews, reliability reports, and even ask a trusted mechanic for advice. A cheap car isn't a good deal if you end up paying thousands in repairs later. And remember, just because a car looks great on the outside doesn't mean it's problem-free under the hood. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever owned one of the cars on this list? Or do you have a horror story about a used car that gave you endless headaches? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to know what you went through. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. I've got more exciting car-related content coming your way, and you won't want to miss it. Also, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's thinking about buying a used car. It might just save them from making a big mistake. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Safe driving!